Hi guys, it's Melissa from Nature's Garden. Today I'm going to show you how to make this moisturizing hair mask. Let's whip it up. Okay, so the first ingredient that we're going to be using is apple cider vinegar. We're going to use 60 grams. Apple cider vinegar is really great for cleansing and clarifying your hair. The second ingredient is going to be water, and we're going to need 44 grams. Next, we're going to add some oils. We have 3 different oils that we'll be using. We're gonna do 12 grams of each one. The first is going to be the coconut oil. Coconut oil is great for smoothing your hair, making it super soft, and it's going to help prevent protein loss. Next, we have Sweet Almond Oil. And that is just really going to help give your hair strength. It's high in vitamin E, so it's really great for your hair. The final oil that we will be using is going to be castor oil. Castor oil is great for thickening as well as hair growth. It's going to really promote both growth and thickening. So the rest of our hair mask mixture is going to consist of bentonite clay. We're going to use 120 grams, and bentonite clay is really going to help cleanse your hair as well as soften it. So it's a really great ingredient for this mask. Okay, so now that we have all of our ingredients weighed out, we're gonna go ahead and get everything mixed together. So I'm gonna start by adding our oils. And then we're gonna add the water. We're gonna stir it all together. And then of course the apple cider vinegar. Our final ingredient is going to be our Tangerine Essential Oil. I chose tangerine. You can use any essential oil that you would like. It's just gonna give the hair mask a nice scent. So I've used clementine before, but we're just using 4 milliliters of the fragrance or the essential oil. And we're just going to get this applied or mixed in. And then once everything's mixed together, the last step is going to be applying it to your hair. You want your hair to be either damp or wet. You want to apply it, let it sit on your hair for 15 minutes to a half an hour, and then you'll want to rinse it out and condition your hair. All right, there you have it. It is that simple. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and share the video. And if you want to check out even more fragrance fun recipes, go to our website at www.naturesgardencandles.com. We have a recipe box with a ton of other fragrance ideas, candle making, soap making recipes, and also glasses. So until next time, bye!